Greetings viewers, and welcome back to ScoopBuddy, your go-to channel for the latest scoop on everything noteworthy. Today, we're delving into the mesmerizing success story of none other than Chat GPT. So buckle up and join us on this exhilarating journey through the evolution, utility, pros and cons, and real-life applications of this groundbreaking AI marvel. Let's kick things off with the awe-inspiring success story of Chat GPT. Crafted by the brilliant minds at OpenAI, Chat GPT has etched its name in the annals of AI history with its unparalleled ability to engage in natural and coherent conversations. Its voyage commenced with rigorous training on copious amounts of text data, refining its capabilities to comprehend and generate human-like responses. From its nascent iterations to the cutting-edge advancements like GPT 3.5, Chat GPT has continually evolved, surpassing all expectations and setting new benchmarks in the realm of AI language models. Its success story isn't just about technological prowess, but also about the transformative impact it's had across industries and in our day-to-day lives. But what makes Chat GPT such a game-changer? Picture having a virtual companion at your fingertips, ready to assist with information, spark creative ideas, or simply engage in casual banter. Chat GPT serves as a versatile ally, aiding individuals in tasks ranging from crafting compelling content to providing seamless customer support. Moreover, its accessibility across multiple platforms makes it a convenient tool for users worldwide to harness its capabilities. Whether you're a student seeking guidance with homework, a writer in pursuit of inspiration, or a business owner optimizing operations, Chat GPT emerges as the ultimate assistant for all. Of course, like any technological marvel, Chat GPT comes with its fair share of pros and cons. On the bright side, its ability to generate human-like responses swiftly and accurately enhances productivity and fuels creativity. However, concerns loom regarding potential biases in its training data and the ethical ramifications of AI-generated content. Yet despite these challenges, the widespread adoption of ChatGPT speaks volumes about its efficacy and potential. To shed light on its real-life applications, let's explore some illuminating examples. In the realm of education, ChatGPT emerges as a beacon of knowledge, aiding students in grasping intricate concepts, generating ideas for assignments, and even providing personalized tutoring experiences tailored to individual learning styles. Meanwhile, in the corporate arena, ChatGPT revolutionizes customer service by delivering instantaneous responses to inquiries, resolving issues promptly, and elevating overall user satisfaction. Furthermore, in the realm of creativity, ChatGPT serves as an invaluable ally to writers, artists, and designers, offering inspiration, feedback, and even generating content such as poems, stories, and designs. From academia to enterprise and the creative sphere, ChatGPT continues to leave an indelible mark across diverse fields, reshaping the landscape of human-AI interaction. And there you have it, folks, the captivating success story, utility, pros and cons, and real-life applications of ChatGPT. Be sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more riveting insights. Until next time, this is ScoopBuddy, signing off.